Blackview Oscal Pad 13 Tablet Android 12. With a curved surface design to fit the curvature of the palm, Oscal Pad 13 makes it comfortable to hold with the 7.6mm ultra slim and 435 grams lightweight body. Whether it's on your desk, for work or in your hand for entertainment, its sleek, minimalist appearance with a smooth form makes your tablet stand out with an unbelievably breathtaking vision. 13MP rear camera led the charge on photography. To use your tablet strictly for photography, Oscal Pad 13's 13MP rear camera lets you take high-resolution pictures on the fly, from snapping class notes to taking group photos with friends, record family gatherings or work meetings. It still captures enough details to produce good videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second. 7680 mAh mega battery boost your fun to last longer whether you are working, studying, or playing. You never have to worry about running out of power. A mega 7680 mAh battery delivers power beyond expectations, enough for 18 hours of music playback and 33 hours of calling. Low battery, Oscal Pad 13 will recharge itself in a short time with 18W quick charge.